Day, everyone. I welcome you all to another episode on Love With. I'm Elizabeth Ifeadetono. Quickly today, we'll be looking into acceptance before and after proposal. Acceptance before and after proposal. That is, as a man going to propose to a lady, after God has led you, after you have prayed and you have received the direction from God to go ahead. Before you go to propose, you have to sit down and accept some things. You have to absorb some facts. Also, as a lady, before you receive proposal, before you say yes, even after you have prayed and God have actually confirmed the person to be your spouse, you must also sit down and absorb some facts. There are some things you have to accept in the life of your partner, even before you go to propose or before you even say, yes, I do, as a lady. Let's assume as a guy, you have actually envisaged being with a tall lady, and the person God is leading you to is an average height lady. You should sit down with the fact that the person God is leading you to is an average height lady, and that is not going to change for anything. Nothing is going to change that. Now, it will be bad of you and it won't benefit you if you now go to meet the lady because God has said she is the one, and you just feel like, okay, let me just propose, and along the line into sometimes into the relationship, you are now saying, if not for God that has sent me to you, if not for God that actually said you are the one, I wouldn't have come to somebody like you because I don't like someone of your height or something. It is, you will do yourself good to sit down with the fact that the height is not going to change. So you can take your time, relax, don't rush to propose, relax and make friend with the person. I can bet it with you, with time, you will fall in love with their height or what have you. And if it means praying, you can pray for God to help you. If it means going for a counseling or something, just do whatever you can do that can help you, that can aid you to accept the person. This is where I'm going. You must accept the person, that this person is an average height lady and I'm going for her. Let me say, you must love the person. Let me put it like that. Now, let's assume as a lady, you are probably the person that proposed to you is far older than you. Let's assume, let's say 10 years or something. And you don't accept the proposal because God has said yes. Don't make it look as if it is God that pushed me into it, because at a time in your relationship those things will be questioned, and so that you won't be like, oh, if not for God I won't be here. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to accept the person, take your time, relax, settle it with God. That is why you shouldn't accept or propose to a total stranger. It must be someone you have made friends with. So you have to accept them as a person. Then you can now your backbone will be, it is God that is leading me, but you have actually accept them as a person, and it doesn't take anything, it doesn't cost you anything to love someone. Also, after you have accept the proposal from a guy, or after you have proposed as a lady and the relationship has started properly, the two of you will have to accept some things in each other as well. Even before you enter marriage, there are some things you have to settle, there are some things you have to accept, there are some things, in some things you will have to adjust. Let's say the person you want to marry as a guy is dirty and you actually want someone that is neat. We know that one is adjustable. The person can actually change. Or let's say it is the issue of anger from the side of the brother. It is also adjustable. It is something that can change. It is something that can be worked upon. So you can help each other. Over time, the person will change. You can help the person, you motivate them, you encourage them, you support them, you appreciate every changes that occur. Also, you must know that it will take time, because they have actually been like that for some years. So it will take time. But if the person in question is not ready to change, they are not just ready to change, you might have a rethink. You might have a rethink. And if they are changing, they are improving, make sure they have changed to some extent before you go into marriage. Note that some things can change, some things cannot change. Like the height, the stature, the height cannot change. It is there. But there are some things that can change, like a dirty person, like the person that gets angry often can also change, and they could be helped. One way to overcome getting worried over things that cannot change is to look into the things that you appreciate about them. That is, other things that you appreciate about the person you are going out with.